Upgrade smarter, not harder. With the alarm engine, transforming your legacy system has never been simpler or more reliable. Utilize your existing wiring and components while embracing modern technology to enhance your system. Upgrading from a legacy system is easy. Begin by removing the old control panel and wiring, and get ready to install a more efficient and modern solution. With the alarm engine, you can keep using the existing wiring and infrastructure in your old system, making the upgrade process simple. Whether you're replacing the control panel or fitting the E27 into your legacy enclosure, it's quick and hassle-free upgrade. The alarm engine ensures a seamless transition from outdated systems. Take your system to the next level with a modern touchpad. Easily upgrade your control interface with our network touchscreen. This simple update brings you enhanced functionality and control. Upgrade your old keypad to a sleek AE keypad. Use the optional CPL plate for a clean look that covers any old mounting holes. It's that easy to modernize your system with an innovative, user-friendly interface. Finishing your upgrade is simple with L-Connect. Programming is done via our mobile app, making setup effortless and intuitive. You can easily test and verify your system's operation. At this time, you can offer a quick tutorial to your users and suggest additional upgrades for more conveniences. Become a dealer by registering at elkconnect.com and provide your customers with cutting-edge security solutions. Ready to upgrade your business or home? Visit elkconnect.com for an installer referral today.